How to use Cemseal tile and stone adhesive to achieve the great strength and bonding for years. The surface of the wall or floor should be properly plastered and clean. It must be free from dirt, oil, and other impurities. Take 5 to 6 liters of clean water in a clean bucket. Water quantity can be adjusted a little according to the need for consistency depending on humidity, temperature, and workmanship. Add 20 kilograms Cemseal tile or stone adhesive, NSA, to the water and mix thoroughly with electrical hand mixer until a smooth creamy material is ready. Apply the ready material using a square notch trowel on the wall or floor. Make sure to cover the entire area where you are going to fix a tile or stone. Apply the material on the back side of the tile or stone using a square notch trowel. Make sure to cover the whole tile or stone with adhesive. Join both surfaces where the adhesive is applied. Press the tile or stone on the wall or floor and tap using a rubber mallet to set the same. Place the spacer in corners as per the joint size needed. Always fix and set the tiles or stones from bottom to top so that the below tile or stone can support the above tile or stone. If more adhesion, waterproofing, and strength are required without upgrading the grade of the adhesive, add NSA Plus in the water as a booster or tonic of tile adhesive. Don't forget to replace equal amount of water. The recommended dosage of NSA Plus is 200 ml per 20 kg bag, that is 1% of NSA adhesive by weight. If the tile's backside is extremely smooth, then do not forget to apply Cemseal back tile primer or Cemtile primer on the back of the tile. Apply Cemtile primer using a brush or roller and keep it as it is for 12 hours to get it set. If stone's backside is smooth, then do apply epoxy resin and sand to make it coarse before fixing it using Cemseal stone adhesive. Which NSA is best suited for your need? NSA bronze is best suited for ceramic and vitrified tiles on floors and walls in internal dry areas. On the floor up to 600 mm by 600 mm size. On wall up to 300 mm by 300 mm in size. It is available in grey color. NSA silver is best suited for ceramic, vitrified, porcelain tiles, sandstone, and mint stone on floor and wall in internal dry wet areas up to 1500 mm by 750 mm tile size. It is available in grey and white color. NSA gold is best suited for claddings, low porous stones, and any type of tile or stone of size up to 2400 mm by 1200 mm in the interior as well as exterior areas. It is available in grey and white color. NSA ruby is used for better strength, waterproofing, vibration resistance, excellent tensile adhesion, and superior shear adhesion in the same areas that NSA gold caters. It is available in grey and white color. Don't forget to clean your tools with water immediately after work is done. Cemseal tile or stone adhesive is self-curing and doesn't need any curing. Go through our technical data sheet for technical and safety data for more details. Contact us on 9099 266 166 or info@cemseal.net in case of any need.